Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover documents with Adobe, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching Adobe Acrobat on your device. Once the program is open, navigate to the File menu in the top left corner. Select Open to browse for the document you wish to recover. If the document has been recently opened, you may find it in the Recent section. In case the document is not listed, choose Open and locate the file manually. If the file cannot be found, check the Recent Files section in your operating system. Another option is to search your computer for the file name using the search bar. If you are unable to locate the document, look for a backup version. Open the Edit menu and then select Preferences to check for autosave settings. Enable the autosave feature if it's not already activated for future protection. If a backup exists, return to the File menu and select Open. Navigate to the folder where backups are stored. Choose the backup file and open it. If your document was closed unexpectedly, try reopening Acrobat. The application may automatically prompt you to recover the last session. Follow the prompts if you see a recovery message. After opening the document, ensure to save it immediately. Choose File and then Save As to create a new version of the file. Select a new location or rename the file to avoid overwriting the original. Alternatively, explore the recovery options available under File. If you're using Adobe Reader, some recovery options may be limited. Consider using Adobe's official support site for further assistance. For ongoing protection, regularly back up your files to an external drive. Also, use cloud storage solutions to keep documents safe. Learn about additional recovery tools available within Adobe applications. Review your version history if you're using Adobe Creative Cloud. Always ensure that your Adobe software is updated for the best recovery options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.